Hello everybody, this is Michael Colomb. I'm doing something I've never done before, which I'm doing an unboxing video. But I'm a huge fan of Samsung. I have the Samsung Note 9. I have the Samsung Notebook. So I'm kind of about Samsung like people are with Apple. And I originally had the Samsung, the Gear S3, which I love. Like I have like this opening, this watch face. It's kind of like a pad of paper, which kind of like since I'm a writer, so I thought that was kind of fascinating. But I decided that I wanted to upgrade and get the new Galaxy watch. So I got the 42 millimeter, the black, with Bluetooth and LTE. So you know I'm paying for the service, and I'm gonna do something I've never done before. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I know I'm a little late to the game. I know that a lot of people have been doing it for months, but I thought it'd be interesting to try and see what people think. So, you know, hit like and subscribe and follow my channel. I'm a filmmaker. I like to talk about the things that I do in my journey. So, I have a pair of scissors. I have this box. We're gonna open it here. So I just kind of cut the sides here. It's a pretty box too. The Samsung Gear 3S was in a round box, but this was a nice square one. So it'll be easier to kind of put up in the closet. I like to keep the boxes because, you know, when we are done with the product, we either have to send it off or do something. So I am going to give my Gear S3 watch to my nephew. He's been wanting one for a while, and this was in good condition. I've only had it for about 7 or 8 months when I paid it off. And it has a new band anyway, so I think he was gonna like it. His birthday's coming up. We'll do something exciting, but I'm definitely gonna give him this watch. So, okay, here I am. I'm opening it. Take a look at this. I don't know if you can see that. I can take it out, but it's a beautiful watch. So, kind of dainty. I like the band. It's kind of soft. It's a little bit better than the Gear S3 in that sense. My Gear S3 was the band's a little tighter, a little thicker, but this is, I like this band. It's nice, and I love this black. It's all black. See, so in my Gear S3 I have like the silver one, which is nice, which I love, by the way. I like it. It's fancy, but this one's nice because wow, it's really beautiful. Because I can wear it on set, you know, when I'm working, and it's sturdy. And then I can also wear it to, I go to a lot of red carpet events and screenings and stuff, so I know that I can have a nice watch face. So this is both kind of classy and everyday use. So I like that. Good job, Samsung. Also, I do know that you can go to, you can go online to like Amazon and order different bands, so I might look that up as well. So, okay, so I'm opening up the box now, and just, you know, everything's cardboard paper, and so now there's two other little boxes you can see here. So I took the middle out. That's where the watch was, and now you have a box here and you have a box here. So let's take everything out, shall we? So the first box, you open it up, and it has a cord, and it has the normal plug, which is very similar, I believe, to the Gear S3. So that's kind of nice. I already know how to use that, so there's no handicap there. I'll just keep doing what I've been doing. That's kind of nice. I like that. We'll put that back. And the other side is nice. It has an extra band and the wall plug. I like that it has an extra band because, you know, I wear my watch every day, especially when I sleep and everything, and it's nice to be able to have another one that's sort of ready to go. Very good job, Samsung, so thank you for that. And the wall plug. And yeah, a book. Gotta have a book. Gotta learn how to do everything. So I'm excited about this. I've been waiting all day for it to get here. The FedEx guy rang the doorbell and I jumped. I was so excited. I've been wanting to try this. Been doing a lot of research on it. I'm a huge fan of smartwatches. I've had one for a long time. Like I said, I'm a filmmaker. I spend a lot of time on set. I do a lot of networking events. So sometimes it's nice to run a business from home without having to spend too much time on my phone. So there you go. I am going to set this up and enjoy it. And I will probably do a follow-up video on what I think about it. So, yeah. the Galaxy Watch. Thank you.